Hi, everybody. This is Robin Miller with your weekly roundup for the week of October 23rd. Can't believe we are on the home stretch of October, but here we are. So let's just dive right in with all the great things we have coming up. We continue with our really fun networking events all across the state. Our next one is on October 30th at Goodwood in Lexington from 5 to 7 Eastern Time. We've got one on November 1st in Paducah at the Paducah Werks location, November 2nd in Corbin at the Wrigley Taproom and Eatery. These are all at 5 to 7. October 30th, Lexington is Eastern Time, Corbin is Eastern Time, and Paducah, of course, is Central Time. We have our Emerging Professionals Lexington Social on November 8th at the District 7 Social Club from 5 to 7. This is a really fun event with food, drinks, and duckpin bowling. It's a free event for KyCPA members under the age of 40. Would love to see you all out for that. And then we continue to have some other opportunities for you to network, this time with our board chairperson. That is Konversations with Kayla on November 10th, held here at the KyCPA office in Louisville, or virtually if you'd like to attend that way. If you attend in person, we will provide breakfast for you, and that's from 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. It's limited to 15 people just so that we could have a nice intimate conversation, and we look forward to having you guys at that. And then our CFO series, which is a bundle, 8 CPE hours. That's a lot of CPE. That is going to be held on each Friday in November from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And all sorts of topics on that related to CFO priorities and things, office politics, inventory, cybersecurity, and getting the most when selling a business. So lots of different topics in there, 8 hours of CPE for all you CFOs out there. And then our Employee Benefit Plans Conference is happening on November 9th. It's virtual. It is 8 hours, and there are lots of topics in there. Secure Act 2.0, Department of Labor update, the ANA update, risk assessment and audit quality, peer review, and then Ask the Experts panel. So lots of CPE available for you over the next couple of weeks. The Professional Issues and Ethics update is 4 CPE hours, which includes 2 hours of ethics. I know sometimes that's harder to come by. That is on November 13th in Lexington at the Marriott Griffin Gate, or November 16th, you can attend in person in Louisville. So lots of CPE and lots of networking is the storyline for this week's update. See you next week.